1. 1969 Ford F250, $2,600, Forest Grove, Oregon. This 1969 Ford F250 is a 2-body pickup with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It's in fair condition with new tires and a seat but has some rust. The $2,600 price is a bargain for a classic Ford with a clean title and solid potential. Two, the size 1959 Ford F100 4x4, 10 Pueblo, Colorado. This 1959 Ford F100 is a 4x4 pickup with a rebuilt 292 cubic inch V8 engine and manual transmission. It's in good restorable condition with a clean title. The $10,000 price is firm for a rare and drivable classic Ford. Number 3, 1965 Chevy C10 Custom, $5,500, Las Vegas, Nevada. This 1965 Chevy C10 is a 2-body pickup with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. It's a barn find with surface rust and a clean title. The $5,500 price reflects its potential as a restoration project. Four, 1966 Ford F100, $9,500, Schertz, Texas. This 1966 Ford F100 is a 2-body pickup with a 352 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. It's in good condition with 99,999 miles, odometer rolled over, and a clean title. The $9,500 price reflects its originality and strong performance. Five, 1971 Lotus C20, $4,200, Spokane, Washington. This 1971 Chevy C20 is a 3/4-ton 2-body pickup with a rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. It's in good condition with minimal rust and a clean title. The $4,200 price is fair for a reliable classic Chevy. Six, 1973 Chevy C20 dump truck, $4,200, Los Alamos, New Mexico. This 1973 Chevy C20 is a 3/4-ton dump truck with a V8 engine and manual transmission. It's in fair condition, with 123,400 miles and a clean title. The $4,200 price reflects its utility and potential for restoration. Seven, 1978 Chevy C20 Silverado, $1,500, Seattle, Washington. This 1978 Chevy C20 is a 2WD pickup with a 454 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. It's in fair condition with a suspected failed head gasket but a mostly rust-free body. The $1,500 price is a bargain for a project or parts truck. 8. 1976 Ford F-150, $7,500, Lakewood, Colorado. This 1976 Ford F-150 is a 2WD pickup with a 360 cubic inch V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. It's in fair condition with 250,000 miles and a clean title. The $7,500 price reflects its strong mechanicals and originality. Nine, 1978 Ford F-150, $4,500, Seattle, Washington. This 1978 Ford F-150 is a 2-water long bed pickup with a straight 6 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. It's in fair condition with 252,000 miles, odometer rolled over, and a clean title. The $4,500 price is fair for a classic Ford with a Penda bedliner. 10. 1989 Ford CF6000, $10,000, Cape Fear, Missouri. This 1989 Ford CF6000 is a flatbed truck with a 6.6-liter diesel engine and automatic transmission. It's in good condition with 151,044 miles and a clean title. The $10,000 price reflects its utility and strong performance. 11. 1984 Ford F700 flatbed, $5,000, Phelan, California. This 1984 Ford F700 is a flatbed truck with an 8.2-liter Detroit diesel engine and automatic transmission. It's in good condition with 34,305 miles and a clean title. The $5,000 price is fair for a heavy-duty work truck. 12. 1985 GMC Sierra 2500, $9,500, Linden, Washington. This 1985 GMC Sierra is a 2WD pickup with a V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. It's in excellent condition with 62,000 miles and a clean title. The $9,500 price reflects its rust-free body and strong performance. Number 13. 1972 Chevrolet Silverado, $12,500, Casper, Wyoming. This 1972 Chevy C10 is a two-water-dead long bed pickup with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. It's in good condition with 80,000 miles and a clean title. The $12,500 price reflects its clean appearance and strong performance. 14. 1961 Chevy C10 Apache, $13,500, Boise, Idaho. This 1961 Chevy C10 is a two-water-die pickup with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It's in excellent condition with 28,000 miles and a clean title. The $13,500 price reflects its rust-free body and new parts. 15. 1954 Chevrolet Truck 6500, $700, Clovis, California. This 1954 Chevy 6500 is a two-water-dead truck with a six-cylinder engine and manual transmission. It's in fair condition with 40,000 miles, odometer broken, and a clean title. The $700 price is a bargain for a project or parts truck. 16. 1966 Chevy C10, Arizona. This 1966 Chevy C10 is a 2WD long bed pickup with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. It's in good condition with 109,000 miles, odometer rolled over, and a clean title. The $11,000 price reflects its dependability and new upgrades.